Welcome back to my channel. As you see from the title, today I'm making a veggie chunk fried rice. Very delicious, perfect meatless Monday meal. So let's get straight to the kitchen. Okay guys, the first step is to boil our mixed vegetable. Here I have some soya chunk, some people call it veggie chunks. Yes, I'm going to pour the amount that I'll be using in a bowl and add some warm water to that. After that, I'm going to cut my onion, garlic, bell pepper and ginger and set that aside. Okay, our veggie chunks have completely moistened. Now I'm going to drain off the water, add some seasoning, and a full list of all the ingredients used will be in the description box and also on the screen. And I'm just going to season this, allow it to marinate for at least 5 minutes, then we move back to the stove. Just keep on watching guys. Okay, here's a setup of all my ingredients. Here I have my veggie chunks, my mixed vegetable, my onion, garlic, ginger and bell pepper mix, and my cooked rice. Now I'm going to heat up my pot, add some oil, sauteed my marinated soya chunks. We're just going to saute the soya chunks. And further on, you will see me add some soya sauce just to give them some more color. And after they have completely come to the color that I like, then I remove them from the pot and sauteed my onion, garlic, ginger mix. Okay, Just keep on watching, guys. We're going to saute the onion just until they become translucent. Then we add our mixed vegetable, mix to combine, add our soya chunks back, add rice, spice of choice, soya sauce, and you'll just see me do that, guys. Just keep on watching. See you guys at the end. Oh, and another thing, if you're watching to this far and you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. And to make it official, please put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. To my returning supporters, really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for always coming back and watching my videos. Much appreciated. And here is the finished dish, guys. I'm just going to garnish that with some scallion, and then we are ready to serve. It was very delicious and it's a must try. If you enjoy this one, please tell me in the comment section below. Please like the video, share with a friend, and again, if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please do so at this moment. And another thing, guys, please check out my foodie playlist. You find lots of yummylicious over there. And as usual, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.